The Pinguicula garden, a perfect carnivorous plant for beginners. Originally found in the marshes, riverbanks, and moist soils of the northern hemisphere. When you first bring home your Pinguicula, it might look a bit dried out due to being shipped bare root. So, potting it up quickly is key. This time, I've repurchased the Legrow moss pot, and it's always a delight to use. For the potting mix, I use a blend of sphagnum moss, sand, and a small amount of peat. After repotting, just give it a little water and patiently wait for about a week. Once the roots settle in, your plant will bounce back to life. In about 1 to 2 months, a healthy-rooted Pinguicula will start growing rapidly and look fabulous with minimal effort. I've measured the light at 12,000 lux, automatically set for 12 hours a day, so you don't have to lift a finger. Maintenance is super easy, just fill the tray with water once a week. It's perfect as a desktop ornament. You can watch new little flowers bloom every day. The greasy leaves attract small flies, so no need for extra feeding. That wraps up the 5th episode of Legrow 100. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up.